11,18,000 टेस्ट हर दिन करने के बावजूद जो पॉजिटिविटी रेट है वो अभी भी घट रहा है और अब वो घटकर 7.18% हो गया है। यदि हम 24 घंटे के पॉजिटिविटी रेट देखें पिछले सप्ताह में तो वो और भी नीचे हैं और 4.2% है।
Is the government considering any tie-up with Pfizer for their COVID vaccine? And does India have the infrastructure for the specialized cold chain requirement for this vaccine?
The National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration is in dialogue with all vaccine manufacturers, including domestic manufacturers as well as foreign manufacturers. When we continue this dialogue, we not only look at the status of development of their vaccines, we also look at the regulatory approvals, where have they progressed, and we also engage in a dialogue about the logistical requirements if such vaccines have to be stored at temperatures which may range from 2 to 8 to -50 to -70 to -90 degrees, as well as the doses that will be required to be administered. This is a continuously changing dynamic situation, and if and when regulatory approval comes, we would share it with you.
Bihar has amazing COVID numbers. It has a less than 2% positivity. It has 0.5 CFR. And this despite the fact that there were so many violations that the Election Commission was forced to issue an advisory to political parties saying, please ensure that COVID appropriate behavior happens. What is the secret of Bihar's numbers, sir, COVID numbers? How did Bihar control COVID?
Bihar has so far done 1,15,21,841 tests, to be exactly precise, out of which 12,93,900 odd are RT-PCR tests, which means that whatever total number of tests Bihar has done, roughly 12% are RT-PCR and remaining are rapid antigen tests. So you can always argue that a large number of tests are rapid antigen tests, but Bihar has also been advised by us that whenever they conduct the rapid antigen tests, those who are symptomatic negatives must mandatorily be subjected to RT-PCR. This is the advice that we give to all states. During the election campaigning period, a central team to Bihar, which had found certain good practices, which had also found certain areas of concern. Particularly, that team found that outside urban centers, the wearing of mask, maintenance of physical distance, and hand hygiene were less than satisfactory. So those findings we have shared with the state government, as we do in respect of other states. And we are happy to report that once we submitted those findings for the consideration of states, requisite corrective action was initiated by Bihar.